In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF in Canva. If you've got a document you want to bring into your design or simply store in your Canva project, this walkthrough will make it quick and stress-free. We'll focus on where to find the upload tools, 2 simple ways to bring your PDF in, and a few helpful tips to make sure everything goes smoothly. Start by going to your project in Canva. That means you should already be in the Canva editor, looking at the design or file where you want the PDF to live. Take a quick second to confirm you're in the right project so you don't have to re-upload later. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand side of the editor. You'll see the main toolbar. Find and click the Uploads option. This is the dedicated space where all your media, images, videos, audio, and PDFs will be stored for that project. Now you have 2 easy choices. First, you can click the Upload Files button. This opens your computer's file picker. Navigate to where your PDF is saved, select it, and confirm. If you have more than one PDF, you can select multiple files at once to save time. After you choose your file, Canva will show an upload progress indicator. Larger PDFs may take a little longer, so give it a moment. When it's done, you'll see a thumbnail or file entry appear in the Uploads panel, which confirms the upload worked. If you prefer an even quicker method, you can drag and drop. Open your File Explorer or Finder window, click and hold your PDF, and drag it directly onto the Uploads panel in Canva. As you hover over that area, you'll notice the drop zone highlight, which is your cue to release. Canva will begin uploading right away, and just like before, you'll see the file show up in the Upload section when it's finished. A few tips to keep things smooth. Make sure your internet connection is stable, especially for larger PDFs. Keep your file names clear and simple so you can find them quickly inside the Uploads panel. If an upload seems stuck, cancel and try again, or close a couple of unnecessary tabs to free up bandwidth. And before uploading, double-check your PDF doesn't include sensitive personal details you don't want stored online. That's it. Go to your project, click Uploads on the left, then either hit Upload Files and select your PDF, or drag and drop it into the Uploads panel. Your document will be ready to use right inside your project.